Welcome to Board.Vision tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to vote for preferred meeting dates on a desktop or laptop. Important note, Board.Vision web app is supported on Google Chrome, version 65.0 and later, and Microsoft Edge, version 87.0 and later. Once you are logged in, Home shows an overview of your pending approvals, schedules, and upcoming meetings. Click on the Schedules tab, you will be able to see a list of your pending schedules. Click on Action Required for the schedule that requires your response. In the View Schedule page, you will be able to view schedule information such as description, participants, etc. Scroll down to the proposed dates, and vote your availability by yes or no. The selected dates will be saved automatically in the system. You can amend your vote anytime before the deadline. To provide an alternate date, tap on Propose Alternate Dates. Then, select the proposed date and time. If you wish to leave any message for the administrators, enter it in the remarks box. Next, click on Confirm. To view all other voters' responses, click on the arrow down button beside individual responses. Tap on the Notify Executive Assistant button, if you wish to send a notification about this proposed schedule to your executive assistant. Congratulations! You have completed the tutorial on voting for preferred meeting dates. If you face any issues in completing the steps shown in this video, please reach out to our customer experience team at support@board.vision or +65 6909 7100, and we will be happy to help.